If you want to transfer USDT from exchanger in Binance, let me show you how to do it step by step. So after you open up your Binance app like this, go to asset. After you come to this asset, now go to withdraw. After you come to this withdraw, so now tap on this withdraw at the bottom again. So from this option, now select the USDT. So in this option, now you have two options. You can be able to withdraw it via network, or you can withdraw the USDT via email address or phone number of a Binance user. This only works if the person that you want to send him the USDT has a Binance account. So you can use his email address or phone number to send the USDT. But if the person has no Binance account, you can only send him the USDT via network. So I will select this network. So now paste in the address that you copy of the person that you want to send him. So after you get his address like this now, so from this option, now tap on this, select the network BNB. So here you can just specify the amount that you want to withdraw. I'll tap on this max. So now if I tap on this withdraw button, the amount of USDT will be sent to this address that I pasted. And that's it, guys.